Most welcome, dear students of class 5th. My name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today, students of class 5th, I am going to tell you English grammar, chapter number 5th, noun and its numbers. So, in my previous video, I taught you about noun and its all the kinds. And now in this video we will talk about the number. Dear student, noun has two numbers, singular number and plural number. The noun that is only one in counting is called singular number, and the noun that is more than one is called plural numbers. You can understand it that the noun which denotes one person or thing, that is singular, and the noun which is used to denote more than one person or thing, they are called plural. For example, nouns such as man, boy, cow, knife, table, and chair, they are used to indicate only one person or thing. That is why they are called singular. And the noun men, boys, cows, knives, tables, and chairs, they are used to indicate more than one person or things. That is why they are called plural nouns. And now I am going to tell you the rules how you can change from singular to plural. These are some rules are given here. You need to be focused. First rule, most of the noun you can change them into plural by adding s at the end. For example, house, you need to add only s. Houses, author, authors, book, books. Mean to say you have to add s at the end of these singular forms, then you will get plural. By adding es to nouns ending in x, sh, s, ch, the singular noun, their last letter is x, sh, s, or ch. Then you need to add es to make it plural. For example, box, boxes, dishes, gas, gases, and match, the plural of match is matches. In nouns ending in y, by changing y into I and adding es, dear student, if any singular noun is given and the last letter is y and before y there is consonant, then you need to replace y into ies. Like pony, ponies, army, armies. Next, the nouns ending in y but preceded by a vowel, then you need to add only s. If there is any noun is given and the last letter is y but the vowel, there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. If these 5 letters are given before y, any one of these 5, mean to say vowel, then you need to add only s to make its plural form. For example, ray, last letter is y, but vowel is written before y, a, that is vowel. Then you will add only s, rays. In nouns ending in o, preceded by a consonant by adding es. If any noun that is end in o, the last letter is o, and consonant is given just before o, then you need to add es, hero, heroes, volcano, volcanoes. In words ending in IE, O mean to say double O, or EO, and some words ending in O preceded by a consonant, then you need to add only S to make its plural form. For example, tie, the last letter is IE, then you need to add only S to make its plural, ties. Cuckoo, cuckoos, video, videos, studio, studios, photo, last letter is O, and before O consonant is written, so you need to add only S. Next rule, the nouns ending in F or FE, then you need to change F or FE into VES. You will write V in the place of F or FE, then you need to add ES. For instance, self, then remove F and add VES. You will get the plural selves. In some nouns ending in F by adding S. If the noun, some nouns are given here, they are ending in F, but you have to add only S. Gulf, gulfs, roof, roofs, cliff, cliffs. Some nouns take both forms in the plural, hoof, scarf, dwarf. They take both forms. Mean to say you can add only S, otherwise add VES. So the plural of hoof is hoofs and hooves. Both are correct. Some nouns do not follow any of the above rules, means they are different. They do not follow the rules that is given above, which I told you. Goose, then you need to change its vowel that is given. Mean to say you need to write E on the place of O. Then you will get geese, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, man, men. Here is one exercise is given for your practice. So here change the noun in the brackets into plural. So some nouns are given in the bracket and you need to change it. Okay, and some sentences are written correctly. There is no change. First, I am telling you, my glass are broken. So you need to write the plural of glass. Here you will write my glasses are broken. In the same way, you will try to solve all the exercises. 10 exercises are given. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. You here in these 10 exercises, exercise B, you have to write the plural of self. So as I told you, if the last word letter is F, then you need to add VES, then you will write here selves. Second, life, you will write here lives. Okay, in such way you will solve exercise B. If you need help, then I will help you in my next video. Otherwise, try to solve it. Write the plural of these examples. Singular of kilos, plural of watch, plural of donkey. These are the words given. You can do it very easy. And one more point is here given. A compound noun, the noun which is made by two words or more than two words, they are called compound noun. Then you have to add S to the principal word. For example, father-in-law, principal word is father, then you have to add S. The plural of father-in-law is fathers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Letters, figures and other symbols are made plural by adding an apostrophe. If you need to write the plural of letters, figures or symbols, then you have to write an apostrophe. BAs 1990s, like that way you have to make it plural. Some words are given here: deer, sheep, dozen, salmon, hare, fish have the same form in the plural as in the singular. No need to change them. The boy saw a sheep yesterday. The boy saw 4 sheep gazing in the field. Here you will write the same spelling in singular and plural. We bought a dozen bananas. Here dozen is singular. We bought 6 dozen bananas. Here dozen is plural. So you will not change its spelling. They are same in singular and plural. Here some notes are given that you need to understand. A few nouns, though singular in nature, are made of paired items and are generally treated as plural. They seem singular, but they are plural. Scissors, pants, trousers, glasses. They all are always plural. Many are often used with the words pair, as in pair, pants, pair of pants, or a pair of scissors. Some collective nouns, though singular in form, are always treated as plural. For example, some collective nouns, they look like singular, but they are always plural. Cattle, people, and poultry. Some nouns that end in s look like they are plural. Some nouns are written, their last letter is s, so they appear as plural, but they are always singular. Eatables, innings, valuables, wages, belongings, etc. Mathematics, physics, ethics, politics, social studies, they are also singular. Similarly, some nouns are only used in singular form. Some nouns are always singular. They have no plural forms. They are always used in singular. Poetry, information, furniture, news, scenery, they are always singular. They have no plural form. Abstract nouns like love, beauty, and kindness are not countable, so they have no plural form. As I told you, that only countable noun can have their singular and plural forms. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted, so they will never have singular or plural forms. Dear student, exercise C is given. To practice you have to write the word, the bold word is written that is countable or uncountable. For example, Ekta apologized for her rudeness. Here rudeness word is uncountable. There are 10 apples in the basket. Here apple word is countable. In this way you have to solve this exercise. There are 10 sentences are given. So you have to write whether they are countable or uncountable. Exercise D. Rewrite these sentences in the singular. In some cases, the sentence will remain unaltered. Okay, then you have to rewrite these sentences in singular. There is a lot of dust on the tables. So you have to write the singular of tables, that is table. There is a lot of dust on the table. Like this you will solve these exercises. Exercise E. There are some errors in the sentence. Make change as required. So you will see the sentence and you will change wherever it is required. I prepare to wear a trouser. Here a trouser word is wrong. you will write here, I prefer to wear trousers. The news is good. The news are good. It is a wrong sentence. You will write, the news is good. Or here you can write in first sentence, I prefer to wear a pair of trousers. Like this you will solve these exercises. Exercise F, you have to write correct word in the blanks. He shifted all his furniture, not furnitures, you will write here furniture, to his new house. Like this you will solve these exercises. And if you are unable to solve, then I will help you now next video. I will give you the correct answer of all these exercises. But firstly, you try to do it by yourself. And dear student, you all have to write all the definitions, rules and regulations of this chapter which just we discussed in your CW copy. And all the exercises you have to solve. And the exercises which are tough for you to solve, which seems you that you cannot solve it, then don't worry, I will help you in our next video. I will tell you the answers of all the exercises. Thank you for watching.